Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. You are now tuned in with your girl PrettyBrownMarie, where I do reaction videos, story times, girl talks, vlogs, and much more. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, tap that notification bell so that you do not miss out on any future videos from yours truly. And if you are a returning subscriber, then gang. And if you are new to my channel, then welcome. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a unboxing / review for local Black Child's pieces. I bought like 2 pieces from her website. I really was trying to get the hoop earrings as well, but child, it's like when I go on local Black Child website, they be buying everything up. It's like she'll have the earrings and the rings, but no necklace, or the necklace and the rings, no earrings. So I'm gonna just have to order the earrings at a later time. I wanted to do a review on all 3 of them together, but I don't be catching it at the right time. So today I'm gonna be doing a review on the Black Child necklace and the Black Child rings. Now I love those rings because, as you can see, I have a 2-finger ring. It's just one solid piece. It just goes on 2 of your fingers. Hers are 2 individual pieces, which is still cute, even better, because you can stack them how you want. You can stack them on top of each other. You can stack them side by side. Like, you could play around with them, and I just love that. Now, one thing I'm gonna say before I do this unboxing is I wear real jewelry. I know that jewelry, I think, is gold plated. So I usually don't buy gold plated jewelry because last time I bought gold plated jewelry, it tarnished like the day of. Literally, like, I go swimming, I go get in the shower, forget to take my stuff off, and it just tarnishes. But it also breaks me out because I have eczema, and you can literally see me starting to get little bumps within 5 minutes of me wearing the necklace. So I just wanted to do this review just in case, you know, you might not have the funds to buy real gold jewelry because it can get a little bit pricey, plus gold has went up. So I just bought these pieces just to take a chance and also support a Black owned business. So first thing I'm going to talk about is shipping. So shipping wasn't too shabby. It wasn't too bad. It took about 2 weeks. And if you watch her channel, she'll usually tell you she got a lot of orders and stuff. And I already know how it is trying to send orders when you're by yourself. So, you know, I'm not that impatient, you know. So I waited, and it came. It came before you even knew it, really. But if you look at the dates, it was about 2 weeks. But you don't even really notice that. So, yeah, that was for me. And that was coming from Philadelphia to North Carolina. So that's that. Next thing is this packaging. Now I sort of tore it already because I was about to open it. I was ready to open it, but I was like, let me do this unboxing. So this is the packaging, and I'm covering up my address, but I love that it has these little stickers. Those little stickers are so cute. It's like all little different races. I love the little character emoji type, cartoon type. It's just cute. I don't know. I just like the brand. And I like what the brand stands for. That's another reason why I wanted to support. So this is what comes in the packaging. It is a thank you card. And it's so cute. It also has the little characters on the bottom. I love that. And on the back, she has a 10% off code. You know, it says her website and her Instagram. And then it just has a 10% off your next order. And my code is on there. So I will be using that because I'm going back to get the earrings, hopefully. Next is the rings. But before we get into the rings, I'm going to go ahead and put on the necklace because while we're unboxing the rings, literally, when I tell y'all I break out fast, I will be able to tell you if this is for you or if it's not for you, because you don't want to be walking around with hives on your neck. It's not cute. So if this doesn't break me out by the time we get to the end of this review, then it's a go. Okay, it's a go. So next thing is this Black Child necklace. I love the packaging. I just love it. It's like, I've ordered necklaces before and they don't even put it in this little thing right here, which is what's meant for necklaces. They'll usually try to like tape it or do something like that. And then one time I got a necklace and it was, the links were interlocked into each other, and it was a pure hot mess, and I had to send it back. And I'm not one to do refunds. I hate doing refunds. I hate the process of going to drop it off and waiting for it to come back when I already paid for it. So I'm glad that she did put it inside of this. That keeps it from getting tangled up, and that's a 10. Now that is a 10. So this is what it looks like when you take it out, and it's already linked. And that's it, if it'll focus. So that's what it looks like. True color. It's like a yellowish gold, you know. So next I want to see how it's going to look up against real jewelry. Now I haven't got my jewelry cleaned in a minute, so you know how that is. But so this is the necklace once you unlink it. Like I said, it's like a yellowish gold. And I love that it has these links right here, because this is how you would adjust the necklace. Just slide it into whichever one you want. So it could be this long or it could be this short. And that's pretty dope because I do stack my necklaces. I have another necklace. I have this necklace right here, which falls about right here, but I took it off for the sake of doing this video because I feel like this is probably gonna fall where that necklace falls, and then you won't be able to see it truly, you know, up against your skin or whatever. So that's why I took that one off. But now I'm gonna just link it to wherever my nails will allow me, because you can only go so far when you got on nails. You just gotta go with the flow. Oh, you can reach every link, even with my nails on. But I just linked it just to have it on. So we're gonna move this necklace out of the way. We're gonna move that one out of the way. And this is what this necklace is giving. Okay. So this is up against real jewelry. And like I said, it's gold plated. And I actually like this necklace. I'm not feeling that tingling sensation yet. So I think we might be in the good. But you could see up against real jewelry. This one has like little diamonds in it. So this is all, I think, 14 karat. So whatever this is, plated, this is how it looks up against it. If you wanted to know like how it will blend in with your real jewelry, then that is that. So we're going to leave that on. And next we have, this is the box that the rings came in. Again, the little cartoon characters. I love them little cartoon characters. But I love that. I really do love this little cartoon. These are the rings. So these are the rings. And the first one, of course, says black. I don't really think it's going to focus. But it has like little diamonds down here at the bottom. And it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's really giving. And then the next one says child. And it's the same color as the necklace, of course, because I'm pretty sure they're plated in the same gold. So that's good. If you don't have any jewelry pieces at all, then at least your ring and your necklace will match. And honestly, can't nobody tell, child. Can't nobody tell. Because it really just looked like, I think 10 karat gold. 10 karat gold is yellowish like this. Or not yellow, but you know, that darker gold. 10 karat gold, I think, looks like that. So I think it's straight. Now for the fingers, as you can see, I'm booked, but I found some fingers and they fit good. It don't come off or nothing. It don't come off or nothing. So I found my pieces to go on my thumbs. And this is what it looks like. So with all the jewelry on, now all these pieces are real and all these are real. So like I said, again, up against all of this jewelry, you can't even really tell. You can't really tell. Like, I'm definitely wearing these. Nobody would ever be able to know. Nobody would ever be able to know. Who's gonna know? So yes, I love these pieces. And hold on, I got this one on backwards. So this one says black and this one says child. And like I said, you can stack them. So, of course, stack them on whichever hand you want, but I'm going to stack the child on top of this one. Here it says Black Child. So if you wanted it on your middle finger or whatever. And then you can just put it on any other finger. If I had more fingers to show y'all. See, it is a little bit big for my fingers. I have skinny fingers. It is kind of big anyway for any of my other fingers. So it really, it do fit on my middle finger. It does fit on my middle finger, but my middle fingers are booked. So can't mess with them. It don't fit on my pointer finger. So my middle finger and my thumbs, those are the fingers that they fit on for me. And yeah, like I said, I wanted the hoops, the Black Child hoops, but they weren't in stock. I will probably order them. I don't know if I'll do a review. I might. But back to this necklace. I don't feel nothing. I don't see nothing. I don't see no bumps. When I tell y'all I usually break out right away, I don't need to be sweating. It don't need to be hot. I will break out. Like, me and fake jewelry just don't get along. Like, so I can't even really say that it's fake. I mean, it's gold plated, so, but I don't know how that really work. But all I'm gonna say is it looks good up against the real gold, and it's also undetectable. I mean, like I said, if you have, you know, you don't have no pieces, no necklaces or whatever, or you don't have any rings and you just go and buy these, I think it will be cute. You see how it blends in with the real gold, the real jewelry, and you can barely tell any difference. Now, how long will it last? I don't know. I may do a review after about a month and see how it lasts with me in the shower. Because, you know, I just waste money like that. Don't ask me, but just for the sake of the review, I'll probably wear it in the shower a couple of times, or if I go swimming, I'll wear it in that. And then we'll come back and see how well it holds up. I give it about a week, maybe 2, but I'm gonna say at least a month. At the most, a month. I'm gonna wait and come back and do a review and see how it's still holding up. But like I said, it hasn't broken me out. I love the packaging. I love the fact that it say Black Child. That's the main reason why I bought it. And yeah, I wish my daughter could fit them, because really I could have gave them to her, but my daughter is only 1. So yeah, that's a no-go. But she could definitely wear this necklace, and that's probably who I'll give it to, is my daughter. I know this is not a part of local Black Child, but I just want to show y'all, this is another gold plated necklace, and this is one that has also been a good brand and hasn't turned or anything. She wears this in the bathtub, wears it in the shower. It's still gold, and it says her little name on it. And I'm gonna put it with this Black Child necklace, and now she got 2 necklaces, because your girl is racked on necklaces. Like I said, I have that necklace, and then I have another necklace that's like a little choker. It say 1990. So I really don't have no room for necklaces or rings, but I just bought it just because I wanted to do a review and like support, you know, a Black business. So yeah, that is going to conclude this video. If you liked it, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also tap that notification bell so that you do not miss out on any future videos. Also, comment down below if you purchased from there, how you like it, how it's holding up, so that, you know, others can know. And yeah, if you have a small Black business, I'm thinking about just purchasing small items, not no expensive stuff, just small little items, and doing reviews like that on my channel, just to support more Black owned businesses, because it can get hard out there. It can get hard, okay? It can get hard. People don't be wanting to do nothing. So I know I don't have enough subscribers. That's why I said I will purchase, because people usually only want you to promote their items if you got a whole bunch of subscribers. But really, that's not how y'all should be. What you should do is let anybody show your stuff. But all I would ask is that you give me a discount code. If you own a small Black business, just give me a discount code, 15 to something % off, and I will at least purchase 2 pieces, guaranteed, and do a review on my channel. It will be a real review. So, I mean, don't get butthurt if it's something that I don't like about it. But, you know, I just felt like I wanted to start to do more videos like that. And yeah, so that's going to conclude this video. Like I said, if you liked it, tap that notification bell, tap the subscribe button, and also comment down below. Also like this video and share it. And I will see you on the next video. Peace.